Now let us study about the scope and excitement of physics. Okay, so what is use of physics? Why we should learn physics, sir? Okay, so first we'll see the discoveries in physics. Okay, how people have discovered things in physics, sir. Okay, the two ways. One is by accident. Okay, for example, magnetism. Okay, so early man saw that there was some kind of rock, sir, which attract a piece of iron. Okay, so with the help of that we discovered magnetism, and now we say theoretically how the magnetism comes. Okay, the second one is by well analyzed research. Okay, that is, see, some things they think very much. Okay, and then they will say some theories there. For example, Albert Einstein gave the equation E is equal to mc square in 1905. Okay, he thought very much and then he gave the equation there. Then it was proved by Cockcroft and Walton in 1932. Okay, so after many years they could prove it. Okay, so that is one way of discovering new things there. Okay, that's why predictions there. Next you see where they use that. Okay, see, theoretical prediction, that means scientists will say something. Okay, and then simulation, now we use computers there. Okay, and we draw simulations there, and computations are very much useful in physics there. Okay, not only physics, we also use a pharmaceutical industry. Okay, that's to make the medicines there. See, we can see the arrangement of molecules. Okay, to make new medicines there. Then biocompatible materials are used to make organ replacements. Okay, for example, the knee joints, I don't know, if they get worn down, they'll use another material, say ceramic they'll use. Okay, so that is used for organ replacement. Okay, that's used with the help of physics there. Okay, then next we'll see scope there. Okay, what is the use of physics, how it or what it can measure. Okay, so range of time scales. So time scales are there. Okay, we can measure very big time and a very small time also. You can see astronomical. Okay, 10 power 18 seconds, that means 1 followed by 18 zeros, so many seconds, to microscopic, that is 10 power minus 22 seconds. Okay, so you can also measure microscopic amounts of time also. Then next one, range of masses. That's it. So range of masses is for heavenly bodies, okay, to the electron mass. Okay, so we can measure the mass of the universe also, the observable mass of the universe that we can see. Okay, that comes to be around 10 power 55 kilogram. Okay, that means 1 followed by 55 zeros. Then mass of the electron. Okay, they say it's 10 power minus 31 kilogram, but exactly if you see, it's 9.11 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram. Okay, it is very very small. Okay, that's the value of mass of electron. That also you can measure. Okay, so imagine it's so tiny, but still you can measure the mass. Okay, so these are some of the uses of physics. Okay, we see the next other use also now. Let us now study see how the study of physics helps us, okay, in life. So first one, you see, the number of the small number of basic concepts and laws, okay, can explain various diverse physical phenomena. That means with the help of small number of laws there, okay, we'll explain many things in nature. Okay, that's one thing. The second one, very very important, is designing of useful devices. Okay, so nowadays we use a lot of robots there. Okay, in car industries they use a lot of robots there. Okay, you may not know it, but still it's there. Okay, in industries they use a lot of robots. So use of robotics. Okay, that's with the help of physics only. The next one is journey to moon and other planets there. Okay, recently Chandrayaan has gone to the moon. Okay, then before that also Mangalyaan has gone to the Mars also. Okay, so and still we can see some of the satellites, or you can say space probes, have crossed solar system also. Example, Voyager 1, Voyager 2 and all have crossed the solar system also. They're going to some other stars. Okay, so all that comes from basic understanding of physics there. Then technological advances in health sciences. Okay, see, nowadays we can take MRI scan. Okay, we can see where is a mistake in a person without even doing an operation. Okay, so it helps the doctors and patients very much. Okay, so we can get the treatment easily. Okay, we have now ECG, EEG, different devices are there. Okay, to help the doctors and patients. Okay, then even also we can see, we take sugar now. Okay, we can check the sugar level with just a small machine. Okay, we need not go to a big lab and all. Okay, within 1 or 2 seconds we can get the readings there. Okay, so it's so easy nowadays. Okay, next we see no new challenging experiments, the unraveled secrets of nature. Okay, and see, when we do new experiments there, we can understand more things about nature, secrets about nature. Okay, then we can understand about theories also. Okay, we can say where we can give some theories and we can say whether they are true or false. Okay, we can verify or falsify them. Then next one is understanding the science. Okay, behind the natural phenomena. Okay, so we must understand science there, understand why it happens. So there's no use of mugging up anything. Okay, so what causes an eclipse there? we have solar eclipse there. Last year we had solar eclipse. Okay, then lunar eclipse there. Okay, so what causes it and what causes wind also. Okay, so all this we must understand. The next one is very very important nowadays. Okay, so the building block of all engineering and technical education is physics. Okay, and it uses mathematical tools. See, to go for engineering, okay, or for any other technical education, you must learn physics there. Only with the help of basic concept of physics we can understand the things in engineering also. Okay, so the build, it's a basic thing. Okay, physics is a basic thing for engineering also. Okay, and we use mathematical tools there. Okay, so these mathematical tools, maths we use, okay, to express the ideas in physics. Okay, so that is very much useful in physics and in engineering also. Okay, so this is about the scope of physics there, scope and excitement of physics, how it's useful for us. Okay, thank you for watching.